It's only this new project now where I'm moving into the 20th century to really test out this whole tradition within modernity theory. You know, how traditionalists survived and really thrived despite modernity, that I realize, oh my God, I really need to work on my Yiddish. So I've started reading Yiddish memoirs now. And I have to tell you, it's like falling in love again, because the language is just, it's as natural as a flowing stream. I've never felt that way about a language, not with Polish, not with Hebrew, that it's somehow just flowing. And it's speaking to me in a certain way that's just been extraordinary. So every morning I get up early, I put the kids on the bus, and I spend an hour with my Yiddish memoirs. And it's been a fantastic experience, because you get to see in the memoir, you get to see there's a lot of dialogue there. You get to kind of sense the language, how it's spoken, how thoughts are formulated in Yiddish. And it's just been fantastic. I would almost say it's sui generis if I didn't know better. I'd almost say that there's nothing like this. You know, you have to read the memoir in Yiddish to really appreciate it. But of course, people wrote in other languages and were just as genuine and authentic. But it's been fantastic. So it's almost been like a rediscovery of Yiddish for me.